To prevent further fraud, I always recommend just looking at your accounts. When you get your emailed statements or your mailed banking statements, just take a quick look and see if there's anything you don't recognize. Same thing with your credit report. If you're monitoring your credit report, just take a look every so often and look at the accounts that are on your credit report, look at the inquiries that are on your credit report. And if you see anything you don't recognize on any one of those things, on your bank statements, it could be cash advances, withdrawals, purchases you didn't make, and similar accounts in your credit report, just monitor it. And if you see anything you don't recognize, immediately call the bank or the mortgage company or whoever is reporting this account that's unfamiliar to you. A lot of times when fraud occurs, the fraudster is not doing just one account. Oftentimes what we'll see is when the fraudster has access to your information, they're opening up multiple accounts with different financial institutions throughout the country. And the normal response to that is to be completely overwhelmed and bury your head in the sand. But there's never a point where the fraud is too large to deal with. All you need to do is, go through the dispute process, contact an attorney like myself at Loker Law, and just pick off each account one at a time. Because there's going to be a time when the fraud stops. Then what we need to do is go after each account and rectify that situation so you get a clean credit report and it can stop all those collectors from contacting you and just get your life back to how it was before the fraud occurred. Immediately after the fraud occurs, I'd recommend taking 3 steps. Freeze your credit reports, contact the bank to let them know the fraud occurred. And if you're uncomfortable with those things, and if you'd like some further guidance, you could also call Loker Law. And what we can do from there is assist you through each one of the steps in order to make sure that the fraud stops as quickly as possible and to protect your rights in a way that will allow you to move forward with a claim if needed.